Good morning, everybody. We are in the GT3 again, heading to the Obsessed Garage Cars and Coffee. This is going to be a fun drive. We got a bunch of stuff coming, so check back in a second. What's up, guys? We made it to Obsessed Garage. We have the two beautiful GT3s next to each other. We got Poppy GT3 right here, Mr. Taylor. I love the purple on this RS, and then the lime green. Looks like we got the BMW crew pulling up. Let's go check out what's inside. New office space, looks sick. Then we come in here, we got quite the collection. E46, Tesla, GT4.2, GT3. Two of my favorite cars in one place. I love the green interior, the green inserts with the green seat belts. Such a cool spec. Dope M4. I love the shift knob on this thing. Beautiful, beautiful car. Looks like we have some fun going on over here. Another RS.
Yeah, well, he was gonna get rid of it first, but then he's just like, nah. Now you don't know what to get.
Definitely taking it down. We got AB's garage over here with this Pontiac G8 and then his GT350. Beautiful, beautiful car. You guys want to check him out? AB's garage. Some sick content. And we are back with the GT3s. You have the dot 1 and the dot 2. Automatic, 6-speed manual. Love these cars.
Hey.